Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to set up Bluetooth on Samsung Smart TV. Let's go. Open smarthub, Source. Connection guide. Select device type. Audio device. Headphones, Bluetooth speaker or soundbar. Bluetooth. Turn on the pairing mode on your device. Setup now. Select your device. Select sound output or open source. Input device, gamepad, mouse or keyboard. Bluetooth. Turn on the pairing mode on your device. Setup now. Select your device or open settings. General. External device manager. Input device manager. Turn on the pairing mode on your device. Bluetooth device list. Select your device. That's it. Now you know how to set up Bluetooth on Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.